Hello everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and powerful Excel tools out there. As every week, my goal is to bring you some of the tools that have made a difference in a lot of my customers' life, allowing you to be more efficient, to get more done, to eliminate human error, and overall to save you time. So today's tool is actually a very cool tool that's been pretty popular in the last few months, and it is a bulk zip code lookup Excel tool. So what it does is it allows the user to look up based on a list of zip codes things like state, city, county, and latitudes and longitudes. The previous tools that I've had only worked for USA. Recently we upgraded this tool to allow it to work with zip codes or postal codes for any given country. So let me show you without further ado how it works. It's extremely easy to use. We enter a list of our zip codes and the country, and this is very important because a lot of the zip codes can be different, or sometimes they can overlap in different countries. So it's important to have the zip code or postal codes if you're in Europe or Canada, as we call them, and also the country. And once we do that, the tool, I can click on the calculate button and the tool will generate all those that information that we discussed on the fly, along with latitude and longitude, county, city, state, and it should really be as easy as that. The tool uses the Google Maps API, so you'll need a Google Maps API key to use this tool. I've got some instructions on this video on how to get that, but other than that, it's extremely easy to use. Feel free to download the tool by clicking on the link in the description, and also in the description you'll see a few more things in addition to the description of what the tool does, but you'll see a list of the tools that we have. Right now we have a few dozen tools that do different things, mostly in the logistics world. They're all built in Excel and allow you to to get a lot of these tasks done that are not native to Excel. Thank you very much. My contact information should be in the description. If I can assist you with anything else, feel free to reach out. Thank you.